This one is a doozy. How do you deal with unprepared people? Unprepared people, they can be, and this is gonna be harsh because you have unprepared people everywhere. You have it as friends, you have it as family, you have it as co-workers. They're just everywhere. And they often say to you, you will be the door that I'll be knocking on if something happens. And you probably have said to them, don't, because I won't help you. So what will you do when the panic starts? Because these people are in denial. These people are in denial, and they're, in my opinion, they are some of the most confused people ever. They think that the system will never collapse, and if something happens, the government is just going to come and fix everything. They are really relying on the system, and you and I know how fragile that system can be. Shoot, we know for a fact that a hurricane comes and everything goes to crap. So these people present a real danger to us preppers. They present a real danger to us preppers because they will come, use our resources. They will come where their panic, and people in panic are dangerous. Very, very dangerous. You don't know what a person in panic will do. They are 100% unpredictable. You don't know if a person in panic is going to crawl into a little ball and just cry. You don't know if it's going to attack you. You don't know if they're going to go into a frenzy of just talk. You just don't know. They are unpredictable. And of course, they can become very violent too. Very, very violent. So bear that in mind. And unfortunately, that can be anyone. It can be a family member. It can be a friend. It can be just an acquaintance or somebody who just happened to be passing by. Unprepared people really don't have the bandwidth because they're mainly incapable of understanding that something can go wrong. Actually, they are incapable of understanding that something will go wrong. They don't want to think about it. They just don't. They don't understand that the unexpected for us is to be expected. We expect the unexpected. They don't. They expect every single day to wake up, go to their favorite coffee hub, whatever it is, get the mocha latte, something. It takes a paragraph to describe a coffee. When you, on the other hand, all you have to do is just boil some water and that's it. They're different. They are wired different. Unprepared people are wired different. And because of it, to a point, they are, in my opinion, they can be considered a danger to us because we just don't know how to, we don't know how they will react towards us. Think about it from this perspective. If they see you with food, what do you think they're going to do? They're going to ask you for food. If you don't give it to them, they're going to try to take it from you. If that is a family member, close family member, let's bring it really close. Your mom, your sibling, your auntie, really close family member. You think you're going to do them harm? I don't know. Put it in the comment section below. I'm telling you, it's hard. It's really hard. Now, of course, you can always choose to close your doors during an event. Like, all right, hurricane is coming. I keep saying hurricane because those are the events, natural events that I doubt the most when I was in Florida. You close the doors, close the gates, and that's it. But those are not the only events that we have going on. Imagine for a second that they lost their job and they're knocking on your door right now because they have a personal SHTF. They have a personal SHTF because they did not plan to have funds to support themselves for 6 months of a year, and they're now losing their home. And they're coming to you, hands out, saying, we need either a place to stay because we're getting kicked out, or we need to borrow funds so we can pay the mortgage and stay there. What would your answer be? These people did not prepare at all. These people were partying it out, making bad decisions, just popping one after the other without care in the world. You, on the other hand, were cautious about everything. What would you do? What would your answer be? No, I will not help you. No, you do not have a place to stay here. No, I will not help you financially. You have to deal with the consequences. What will be your answer? Put it down in the comment section below. I am curious to know. These are things that are happening all the time. Now, SHTF hits, increase that by 1,000, if not more. Then what? Then I will consider those who are not prepared truly, truly dangerous. And I will try to put as much distance between each other. And I will try to do that mainly because I know how panicky people are. I know how people in denial are. I know how much these people are confused. I know how dependent they are. In fact, if you open the door to them to come into your house, to come into your group, it doesn't matter what you have. It doesn't matter how much you will teach them. They will be 100% dependent on you, and they will be unhappy with whatever you give them. Unhappy no matter what, because that's the way they are. They are just wired differently, and because they're dangerous to you. To a prepper, the unprepared is one of the biggest dangers out there. Now, some wake up. Some woke up at one time and they went back to sleep. I think those are the most dangerous one. But either way, how to deal with them will change from event to event. But I will say this. Family is one of those areas that you're going to have to deal with the unprepared the most. Then comes the friends, acquaintances, and the rest of the world. But just bear in mind, family will come first because they're the closest one to you. They're the ones who know you the best. Then close friends and acquaintances and whatnot. But if they are unprepared, just keep in mind that there may be some danger involved in there if you open the doors. Just bear that in mind. My solution, very simple. Put as much distance as possible. Out of sight, out of mind. If they can't see you or you're hard to get to, they won't come to you. And to me, that is the best way to deal with the unprepared. Just distance. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in the next one.